Virginia Estelle Randolph, a pioneer in education, a humanitarian, a fitting namesake for this splendid campus. Virginia Randolph was the daughter of formerly enslaved parents. At just 16 years old, she recognized the power of education and the promise it held for Black students in Henrico and beyond. That commitment and her life's work are as much a foundation for this school as the brick and mortar.
Virginia Randolph believed something powerful, something simple, that every child mattered. That where you were born should never determine where you end up, that education could open doors no matter your race, your zip code, or your circumstances. Her vision was bold and far ahead of its time. That belief lives on right here at this campus, in these classrooms, and in every student who walks through these doors. These new buildings are more than just walls and windows. They represent hope, they represent investment, they represent a promise to our students and families that their future matters.
She was a young African-American woman traveling to Goochland and Hanover to teach even before there were cars or roads. As we celebrate her, throughout her career, she made an indelible mark, shaping the lives of countless students and educators alike. She was a teacher, a mentor, a pioneer, and activist. As we celebrate the official ground opening of the campus of Virginia Randolph, we are truly honoring her legacy. She believed in combining education with vocation. Ms. Randolph recruited and encouraged students of all ages to be hands-on learners, to get hands-on skills that would help them succeed later on in life.
So standing here today is more than a celebration of a new building. It is a testament to persistence, to resilience, and innovation, as well as a powerful tribute to the enduring legacy of Virginia Randolph. Without being dramatic, I can honestly say that this is a hallowed place for education. As you tour this campus, you will see murals that reflect centuries and generations of learning that have taken place on this very ground. The new campus of Virginia Randolph is home to several academic programs for students from elementary school through high school, as well as family and community engagement, all designed to meet students where they are and to help them thrive.